Well, it's been a little over 24 hours, and the timer on the actual 3D printer says 23, nearly 24 hours left to go. Here's the progress so far. I would say we're at about 1/3 the height. I don't know why it would take so long. So once we get up to the halfway height point, there's just a rim that's got to be printed. So I'm not sure why it's going to take almost 24 more hours to finish printing, but so far so good. No stripped filament, no inappropriate prints, hasn't come loose from the bed. Things are looking good.